I am so excited that I just got this treadmill for review. Now, my priorities in this video are to see how well it comes out of the packaging, how noisy it is, and how easy it is to move around when I'm not using it. Let's check it out. Ready to open up? The first things you get are a simple user manual, a Phillips head, and hex, so you can change its level if you need to. Lubricant that you will definitely want to add on a regular basis to keep it running smoothly. And of course, the remote. And the remote is already making me happy. I love that it has a mute button. That's so nice, as I don't like listening to the beeps. You can turn the treadmill on and simply go slower or faster with the plus minus. Let's open up the treadmill itself. That's already looking so cool. Off the bat, I am loving how small this is, as it's a really great size to tuck into a corner. You can see right here some of the lubricant, and that is actually where you'll want to put the lubricant, is right underneath here, so it runs smoothly. Up here, we're gonna look at this as soon as I turn it on, but this is where you'll see your time, calories, speed, and distance. And just so you can see it, here is what the underside looks like. Very simple. You can see the conveyor actually rolls separate from the treadmill on the bottom, and you really just have these 2 feet right here that you can twist to adjust, and the big yellow feet at the front. And then on the absolute front of it, you have the wheels, so you can roll it around easily, and the main on-off switch, so you can just turn it right on. Well, let's turn it on. Now, the one thing I wish it did have was a longer power cord. This is about 6 feet, so I'm using an extension cord to make it long enough, but it's now good to go. Turning it on, first thing you get is a beep, and it says off. And now that I'm staying on it, I'm gonna hit the power button, and now it'll start up. It's counting down, and now I'm gonna mute those sounds. It's really quite quiet, but let's turn it up. And while it's small, it's actually a good distance for me. I am 5'11", and I am fine on this. So that's really, really nice. I am really quite impressed with how well this works. Way quieter than so many treadmills I've tried. Very smooth. I'm gonna turn it off for a moment. And now that I have it at mute, it's not beeping at me anymore. And it will just slow right down. I'm really, really loving this. There's a couple things I want to show you though. First off, let's get to the mode button. If you select the mode button, you can actually go through and choose your time setting range, your distance setting, or your calorie setting. So if I want it to go for 20 minutes straight, I could set that right here. It'll run for 20 minutes. Another one that's really cool is this P right here. Those are for a variety of programs. There are actually 12 preset programs you can do, and you'll just click the P to go through each program mode, and they all have different speeds they'll go throughout the program. So it's a really great way for the treadmill to kind of give you a workout without you having to think about what's going on. A lot of them will have running sections and slow walk sections. They speed up and slow down throughout. So to do that, I just hit the P, and I can click through that and go to all the different programs. Now the final thing, let's see how easy it is to roll this to the side and put it away. That's really convenient to roll up. So I'll probably change that so it has a better corner, but very, very easy to roll into a corner and roll out when you want it. So now I'll just roll it out again. It's not that heavy, so I can just pick it up as well. Roll it out, set it down. I'm ready to go. How convenient is that? I'm really impressed with this treadmill, and I definitely recommend it. This is a great one.